So one of the important things we realised is that transport operators are having to rebuild trucks at 5 to 6 years of life after their diesel engines have done anywhere between 800,000 to 1 million kilometres. What we thought is, why go and rebuild with the old technology? Let's put something new in there. Let's put something in there that will help us move to a carbon zero solution quicker, sooner and faster. So the important thing for us is that by going electric, you can source power renewably. The other side of it is, with exchangeable batteries, the batteries can charge when and where it makes sense. So rather than a truck sitting for 5 to 8 hours charging, the battery sits and waits, not the truck, so that the fleet operator still gets total utilisation of their vehicle as if they had a diesel vehicle, but the batteries are there waiting to be charged. And we can use renewable energy. Renewable energy is, solar, wind and hydro. Solar only happens during daytime, and this is one of the big infrastructure issues that our grid has, and one of the problems that the renewable industry has is that it is producing energy in a point of low consumption when the grid's requiring energy. So our batteries are there and available to take that energy when it's in production. We can then utilise that energy either in trucks, or it can go back into the grid when the grid requires support or has a demand for power from it.